If you're experiencing high ping while playing EAFC 25, follow these steps to help improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds. A wired connection is often more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could affect your connection. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a faster, more reliable DNS server. You can use public DNS services like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 for potentially improved performance. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service quotas if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of traffic, which can help reduce lag and improve ping. Step 5. Choose the right server. In the game settings, select a server that is geographically closer to you. Playing on a server that is nearer can significantly reduce your ping and improve your overall gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing EAFC 25. Enjoy your game.